This is just a quick demonstration on how to fill your lighter up, a Zippo. As you can see, you can lift the Zippo up. Obviously it's closed. You lift it up, you pull so it's out. You lift this bit of sponge up. I've already lifted the squirt thing of the fluid up. Obviously it goes down. You can put your finger right down the side to open it. You get the fluid and you pour it in. Squirt a fair amount in there until you can see that it's soaked. The sponge is soaked but not overflowing. Close that up. Make sure you remember to close the fluid, like completely closed, so that you don't have no accidents. Then you get the Zippo and you put it in, put it back in like that. Make sure this bit is clicked down, otherwise it won't close. So you click that bit back down, then it closes, opens, works, closes, and that is it.